and we will try and get more details on that. We have Ashish Singh Kuntal, forensic expert, founder and CEO of 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐬𝐢 Forensic, joining us live on the broadcast from Delhi. Mr. Kuntal, thank you so much. Appreciate you joining us. And how do you think that the final moments would be figured out, given the fact that the forensic simulation is being executed, a dummy we just saw is being used? Sir, what is your understanding of the recreation method right now being employed?
So as we can see, this is called reconstruction of crime scene in forensic, in which forensic mannequins are being used of the same weight, so that we can understand what was the impact onto the body, if it is determined it was hanged, or she committed a suicide, or it was a murder. So that need to be, we will be able to clarify after complete, doing the reconstruction of the crime scene. So whatever we caught from the crime scene into the earlier stages, now we would be putting back all sort of evidences with reviewing to the photograph which were taken onto the crime scene, first crime scene, incident response according to the person who have investigated the crime scene. So all sort of photographs, videographs, the area where we can find out some more evidences. So it would be a complete, new kind of investigation, which will be completely onto the basis of previous investigation, but from a different angle, or better experts, as CBI is one of the topmost investigation agencies in India.
Absolutely. The fact that the belt has come into focus once again, Mr. Kuntal, there were a lot of questions earlier also when there was a delay in the submission of that very key piece of evidence. And now, once again, there's a lot of focus on what really was used and how it was used. We've spoken to many forensic experts who have different opinions as to the ligature marks that were visible on the dead body are also concerned. So what do you have to say on that?
That exactly, we cannot just right away comment, just by the views of different experts, until unless somebody from the team of the expertise who can examine those marks. So if that is strangulated, or if that is, after death body marks are available. So it depends on multiple different factors. It is not the, without examining the complete procedural and methodologies and photographs, videographs which have taken during the postmortems. So I'm sure there's a complete video footage and complete, zoom in photographs, which we can say. After examining all those things, we can say yes, it is whether it's a murder or whether it is strangulated. So marks generally, after body marks, after the death, marks are different. Before the death, the marks are different. So they play a very vital role into the investigation. But until unless we've seen the complete marks with respect to the photography and other image evidences, it is hard to say what exactly would be the outcomes.
Right. And there are also, as per sources, agency probing whether the alleged involvement of a third individual may have contributed to the tensions, preceding this incident. There are allegations of if there is anything that was consumed, scrutinizing medical consultation. Different aspects are being investigated here, including the CCTV. There's missing CCTV as well. That is now under scanners. But in your understanding, do you feel there have been so many questions raised on tampering of evidence? So in such a situation, what are the limitations as far as ascertaining the causes are concerned in a forensic investigation?
So if you ask me, from my perspective, digital evidences play a very vital role. For example, the mobile phones of all sort of family members, whosoever involved into that house, the CDR details, call detail records would be playing a very vital role. The IPDR details, IP logs, IP details of internet histories of those people. Cell tower analysis, who were connected into that facility, mobile forensic examination of all of the suspects or victims herself, examination of mobile phones, critical, any devices, any mobile backups or previous backups can relate this crime scene. What was the journey? Any deleted items, deleted artifacts found into the mobile phone, that plays a very vital role again. And in digital forensic, like it is, CCTV footage, missing CCTV footage plays a very vital role, because metadata analysis of something is missing out or something has been tampered. So we can authenticate and you can authenticate any video file, like is there any tampering has been made. So CBI have all sort of tools, and they have a great lab. They can examine each and every sort of evidence. And in digital forensic or digital evidence investigation, it is very hard, to tamper it. And if the tampering has happened, like it is, our agencies, law enforcement agencies are, very much advanced. They can detect it, what has been done.
Thanks, Mr. Ashish Singh Kuntal, for joining us on Republic TV and giving us your understanding of the situation as it unfolds right now, the investigation in this case that we are closely tracking. Shifting focus now to other stories of the day.